kind of like that shirt.
味道香蕉味。
Tá ngồi gần đấy cái thằng nói vòng cái ổ con đi Sài Gòn rồi đó mà ngồi cây này đó một cây đời.
I think we're in the women's section here. Keep looking for that perfect thing. I can't live without, but not having much luck.
여기 엄청 많아.
Mấy bạn không nhớ đâu, nên chị có thể cầm giấy vào. Ok, cầm xanh á.
Bags. Excuse me.
Mình có mình ngay đúng không? Mình được. Yellow. Yellow.
Hello. Pretty good. I'm looking for a certain type of bag, but I'm not having any luck. Yes. Not backpack, a shoulder bag.
Solid vest?
Yeah.
This?
You like this?
No,
Yeah.
Like this? No.
too big. You buy a dress or something, these ladies over here will alter it before you leave, make sure it fits. Good place to come for souvenirs, clothes, but you gotta haggle. The prices here are higher than the night market down by Dragon Bridge. Quite a bit higher, actually. And they don't want to give you much of a discount. There's something here that might go, they might want 170,000 dong. You know, they might want 80,000 at the other market. I love Danang.
그러니까 양만두 살 거면 양만 사고.
It's mostly food downstairs, clothes, shoes, a few bags. I mean, it's definitely worth coming to. Very nice, but too small for me. Yeah, I need big. Lots and lots of Nike stuff here. So I heard Sunday is a good day to come. From what I was told, things are less crowded on Sundays.
Hello, you. This
Hello. Thank you. Excuse me. Thank you.
This one?
So there is where we just come from. And we're going to head down to the river, see what's going on. So there's a lot in that market. Anyhow, what I was saying earlier, I had a few Vietnamese people tell me that most people from Vietnam stay home on Sundays to rest. I know I went to the beach last Sunday. It was very quiet. So I'm here in Danang, walking down along the river. As you can see off in the distance is the famous Dragon Bridge. I will definitely be going there for a night show. Probably not in this video, but another one. So far here in Danang, everything has been pretty great. Still my first day. I think tomorrow I'm going to go rent a motorbike. Don't know if it's a good idea or a bad idea. Danang's a pretty interesting city. Don't know what the population is. I believe it is over 3 million though. So it is not a little village. And it is quite popular with the tourists, including me. So right now is low tourist season for Westerners. High tourist season for Vietnamese coming from other places in the country to visit. I think we got a semi-pro photo shoot here. lot of sculptures. This area of the river is really nice. I'm sure a little bit later tonight it'll be very busy. Kids seem to like them. Very nice breeze over here. I wanted to eat when I was out, but I am not hungry at all. Interesting old tree. There are a ridiculous number of Grab drivers in this city. I was in another area a few hours ago, sat down close to the ocean, nice breeze, and there was just one right after another coming up. You know, do you need a ride? Do you need a ride? It's like, no. I don't know how far this river walk goes. I don't know if it ends at the Dragon Bridge or continues on. Regardless, it's really nice. And I'm sure quite popular on the weekends. Okay, gonna go on down a little further, see what's happening or not. It's probably getting a little too dark for the GoPro. Normally by this time of evening I would have switched cameras, but I did not bring the other camera with me. Get a chance to see a few of the shops, things around Danang. I don't know what street this is, but it is a busy one. The Dude Bar. Looks like a lot of young ladies working there. There's a lot of flowers and trees in bloom right now here in Danang. It's nice. Some that are just shapes, and you got some sculptures that's like really nice. I personally prefer the ones that I can actually tell what they are. that? I have no idea. Or that. But I'm quite sure many people do like them or they wouldn't be here. The dolphins are nice. This is quite an interesting sculpture of the birds. There we go. The bridge is changing colors again. It's very nice. I've seen 4 or 5 different colors so far. And there's a Ferris wheel over there that right now it's not lit. There we go. See that? That's very nice too. I'm gonna have to go over there tomorrow and see what that is.
Ja, misschien wordt hij zo nog geler.
Cool. So I'm gonna end the video here and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.